Hi, this is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalClasses.com, and today I'm working in the 12 Bible Eras classes. We're going through the Bible in 1 year, making treasure journals, and this is from the Exile Era, from the lesson on Daniel's visions. We have the Bible verse in Daniel here, but I wanted to put the visions of there were 4 beasts in his vision after the lion's den. There's a place that you can get some of these images online. I wanted to show you. It's called Free Bible Images, and here is the 4 beast images. So I'm going to grab a couple of these and show you how I'm going to place them into these frames. And this is my cluster frame from the Exile Era kit. What we're going to do is select the white with the magic wand tool and make another layer. So go over here to the magic wand tool and select the white, and then go to the bucket tool. Make sure that you have white. You can click D on a Mac or a PC and it'll turn your colors into default. Let me show you that real quick. So if that's your color and all you do is click D and you get a black and white, put white on top and fill, let's make a layer, and fill that new layer with white. Then to deselect it, you can either go select deselect, or you can do Control D on a Mac, Command D on a PC. Now you have a blank layer here that's not going to affect the cluster. And in fact, I'm going to lock that cluster so it'll stay there. Then I'll put this new image up here. And these are public domain. As long as you don't resell them, you can use them in all your personal projects. That's why I can't give it to you. The images that are in my kits, I pay to have them made. I don't use free images. So now we go this is the new frame, layer 7, and I'm just going to go create clipping mask. Right click on the layer and create clipping mask, and that fits it right in there. So let's go back and grab the bear, which was the second copy image. And this bear was the second of the 4 beasts. So now let's put him here. Go to the cluster frame, fill it with white. Whoops, I forgot to add a layer. Fill it with white. Deselect it, Control D or Command D, and now we'll have the bear. Command V, paste the bear. And I don't want the whole image in there, I just want part of it, which works out great. Create clipping mask, and there he is. So let's get this third image, magic wand. I have the cluster frame selected. Click on the white, go to the fill bucket, add a layer, make it white, deselect it, and let's go get this third image from Daniel's vision, which was a leopard with 4 heads and 4 wings. And paste it, and it will come in right over on the right layer. It's not in the right place, but it'll be on the right layer. Now when you want to twist something like this, just hold your cursor out a little bit away from the corner and you'll get this little curvy thing, and you can twist it, curvy cursor. And now we'll clip that. And we have one more. The 4th and the most horrifying beast with the 10 horns. So I selected layer got the marching ants, add a layer, do the fill bucket, deselect, and let's go get that horrifying beast. You know, these beasts are portrayed in different ways on different, if you typed in 4 beasts in Daniel and looked at the images, you'll see quite a few different views on what people thought they looked like. I know that I originally was going to do this with the image I used on the website, which was another public domain, but it had so much blue in it, it was kind of ruining my page. So this has more neutral colors. And that's about it. So there's an idea of how you can add images to your cluster frames or to any frame by selecting the white in the middle or whatever it is in the middle and then using clipping mask. I hope this was helpful to you. As usual, I will see you in the Facebook group. Bye-bye for now.